Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Jungo CRM. So as you can see right here, we are on this website because if you are going to search for Jungo CRM, we cannot really access that one. Okay, so let me just search for Jungo. And when you click on this website, as you can see, it says that we have been blocked. Okay, so let's search for Jungo once again. And we'd be able to see this website. So you just have to click on this one and you'd be able to see here now the price of the Jungo. So if you want to get this one for $119 per month per user, so you just have to get this one. So what I'm going to do here is to discuss to you. So with Jungo, we can do mortgage ecosystem. Okay, so this is your complete mortgage ecosystem. So we have CRM, referral management, pipeline reporting, marketing, and loan management. So powered by the mortgage app. So it has a simplified lead management, send fresh leads from Zillow, Trulia, Lending Tree, and Informa Research Services directly in the Jungo, easily distribute leads to team members, and automate follow-up task alert notifications, start marketing to leads the second they are entered into Jungo with built-in email drip campaigns. Next, so powerful multi-channel marketing, so increase the customer loyalty and referral with email marketing, surveys and post-close gifts, so hundreds of email templates, manageable asset library, email drip campaigns, built-in reporting, and analytics. That's right. Next one, loan documents management. So track and archive loan documents securely. Okay, so it increases the efficiency. Now next, loan milestone automated alerts. So spend less time informing clients and partners on the status of their loan with automated in-process updates and alerts. So keep your customers and partners informed so you can keep referrals coming in. So here we have 4. So appraisal has been ordered. We receive your disclosures, your loan approved, and then the customer alert. Next, streamline loan process by directly sync loan data from your Lowe's and Jungo. So eliminate double entry. A simple click pushes contact data from Jungo to the LOS to create a new loan. Maintain data integrity. So send data back to the Jungo immediately to update the transaction record with a loan number. Now next, gain pipeline visibility. So get a snapshot of your pipeline with all active loan transactions visible in Jungo. And of course, improve reporting. So create robust reports with the most current loan information on your file. Next, so happy referral partners. So we have automated loans updates. So keep realtor partners up to date. So email automation, we have referral visibility and high value tracking. So take a snapshot of your business. So every day, track and measure business performance with mortgage customized reporting template. So here, ready to go co-branded real estate flyers. To create your own co-branded open house flyers and postcards. And here, endless integration to optimize your mortgage management ecosystem. And then your anywhere office, on-the-go connectivity. So update data, measure sales performance, connect with teams, and track your loan progress. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped us solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!